Hi guys, it's IT channel and Dr. Shtuky with you today. I will tell you what is programming. Oh, you might think, oh, programming, it is so difficult. You have to be mathematician or you have to be really smart in technology or tech geek. No, it's not. It's not true in general. And programming, if you will understand what programming is, you might just sit right now and start programming, because it's not that a lot of people think it is. So first of all, what it is programming? Programming actually is just talking with a computer. It's like that. And programming language, it's a language in which you speak with a computer. And what does it mean to speak with a computer? I can stand nearby computer and say, "Hello computer, please turn on." It's the same as speak with a computer. But to understand programming, why we say programming and not like speaking or talking? Because computer is not a human. He is not alive and he does not understand what you're talking about. When you say, "Hello computer, how are you doing?" Computer is a machine. And what it is a machine? Machine, it means that it has specific structure and it has specific rules. And programming language, it's a language, it's a real language like our English language or something. So programming language, it is the same language, but to computer possible to understand it. It's like the same. And when you are programming, you actually write a letter or write an instruction, as we call it, to computer, and computer will always follow your instructions. Computer will never say like, "I don't like your instructions, I'm in a bad mood." No way, computer always will do what you say, because computer is a machine and machine is doing what humans say. If human use right language, right words. So in general, you can make your computer do whatever you like. No, okay, not whatever you like, but whatever computer can, you know? And you can make orders, and you can make instructions and say, "Computer, do this, then do this, and then do this." And this is programming. Yes, that's easy. Why people think programming is very difficult? Because almost, I guess, nobody understand how computer works in general. Because we sit nearby computer, we use mouse, we see, we look into screen, and we use numpad or keypad. And actually, it is very difficult to understand how things work, how internet works, how computer works, what is RAM, what is byte, what is what. And don't worry, if you want to program computer, it doesn't mean that you have to understand quantum physics and all these processes which go on in processor and everywhere. Yes, it's good if you understand that stuff, and if you're good in physics or in tech and something, it might help you to understand computer in a deeper level. But I will tell you, it's not necessary. Now you can get and make orders for your computer even if you understand computer just in general. Of course, you have to get general understanding, like what is memory and what is software and how stuff connected, la la la. But you don't have to go so deep that you will see this 0 and 1 stuff and everything like become in a matrix, very difficult. Don't worry, you don't have to do that. You can use very logical approach. And in general, programming is logic. It's not like a physics, it's not like a mathematics, it's logic. And if you're good in logic, do you have woman's logic or computer's logic? But logic is logic. It's like this, go after this, and if this is higher than this, do this. If this is right or not, is this is true, logic. And before you start programming, take your time to read a small book about just general information about computers, like what is it, and about logic, like informatics, logic in informatics, what is it. And after you get basic information, this and or stuff, what if, else, cycles, like basic approaches, then you just can start programming. And you, while you're programming, you just type commands like in a blocknot or something, just in a normal piece of digital paper. You write your code in any language, you can choose any you like. You write your code and then you press start doing my code. So there's plenty of different languages, they work a little bit differently, but the idea is that you write something in a blocknot paper, then you push start, and then computer somehow will read your instructions and will make what you said. That's it. That's what calls programming. So now you understand that it's not a rocket science, it's not a higher mathematics or something, it's much easier to start. And if you want just to start programming, you can do it just in a 5 minutes. All right, subscribe to our channel to see more videos and to see real instructions how to start programming in different languages. Bye.